Welcome back to my channel. Have you forgotten your Windows password and now want to reset it? Then you have come to the right place. Because today, I am going to show you a way to reset your Windows password using a USB drive. You can reset your Windows password in just 5 minutes. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Welcome to my channel. Technicio. First, I will turn on my laptop, and here you can see that my account has a password set. No matter which password I try, it gives me a wrong password error. If I click on the Reset Password option from here, it tells me that I need a bootable media. So today, I will show you how to reset the password via USB. However, if you want to reset your system password using the command prompt CMD, I have also made a detailed tutorial on that in my previous videos. You can find the link in the description. Now, I will shut down my laptop and turn on another system. First, I will open a browser and search for Hirens boot CD. We need to open the Hirens official website. When I click on the website, it may just keep loading, and if it opens, it might not open properly. Often we need a VPN to open this website, so I will stop that attempt. I have already added a VPN extension to my browser. You can use any free VPN. I will turn on the VPN using this extension and then refresh the website. Now you can see that the website has opened properly. This is the official homepage of Hirens. Here you can also see Hirens pre-installation environment. I will go to the top and click on the Download tab. After clicking the Download tab, I scroll down. Here you will see different software that are included in Hirens pre-installed environment. As I scroll down, next to the file name, you will find Hirens boot CD ISO image file. Click on its name, and the ISO image will start downloading. I have already downloaded Hirens boot CD, so I won't download it again. Now to create a bootable USB, I need a bootmaker software. I will open the browser again and search for Rufus. I will open the official Rufus website and download the latest version of Rufus. Once the download is complete, I will open Rufus and plug in my USB drive. As soon as I plug in the USB, you can see that Rufus has automatically detected it. Now I click the Select button and choose the Hirens boot CD ISO image file. After selecting, Rufus will automatically configure all the settings. Among the configuration options, I will only change the partition scheme because my system is GPT-based. For a modern UEFI system, choose GPT. You should choose the appropriate partition scheme for your system. After setting the partition scheme to GPT, I will start the Rufus process and confirm any warnings. You can see that Rufus has started creating the bootable Hirens USB. It may take a little time. Once the process is complete, our Hirens pre-installed environment USB is ready. I will eject it and unplug it from this system. Now I will plug this USB into the laptop whose password I want to reset. After plugging it in, I will turn on the laptop. As soon as it turns on, I will press the boot key for my laptop. Pressing F12 takes me to the boot menu. In the boot menu, you can see my USB drive is listed. I will select my USB drive. Upon selecting the USB, it will start loading the Hirens files. After the files are fully loaded, the laptop will automatically restart, and after restarting, the Hirens pre-install environment will automatically appear. It will take a little time for Hirens pre-install environment to start because it prepares the Preboot files and initializes all system software and processes. After initialization is complete, you can see that Hirens Preboot Environment has loaded. Now I will reset my laptop's password. I will go to the Start menu, then click on All Programs. Under All Programs, I will open the Security folder. Here you will find 3 options: Antivirus, Key Finder, and Passwords. I will open the Passwords folder. Inside, you will see several tools. You can use any of them to reset your Windows password. I will use the first tool because it is the easiest. When I open the software, I see 2 options: either Reset Windows Password or Find Windows Product Key. I want to reset Windows Password, so I choose Reset Windows Password. Below that, you also see a Load Drivers option. This is in case Hirens does not detect your hard drive. You can manually load Intel's rapid storage drivers. My hard drive is already detected, so I will cancel that. As soon as I click Next, the software tells me that this is a pre-release home edition, not for commercial use, and asks if I want to continue for non-commercial use. I click Yes. Then I see all the Windows installations on my hard drive along with their volumes. On my hard drive, only Windows 11 is installed, so only Windows 11 shows up with Volume 1 labeled. I select the option Reset Local Password and click Next. After clicking Next, you can see all the user accounts that exist on my laptop, including my user Technicio. I select my user and click Next. Then you see a large blue button labeled Reset/Unlock. Above it, there is also full name and description. Clicking those does nothing. You can also change the password from here, but I will reset the password so that it is completely removed from my user account. Upon clicking the button, within seconds my password is reset, and I see a message Password reset successfully. I click OK and close the software. With these few steps, I have reset my password. Now I will restart my system. As soon as Hirens closes, I will unplug my USB drive so that my system does not boot from the USB again. Now you can see that my laptop has turned on. And as soon as I press Enter, I am logged into my user account without any password, because my password has been completely removed. If I go into Settings, then Accounts, choose Sign In Options, and click on Password, you can see that I am given the option to add a new password, not to change an existing one. This means Hirens software has completely removed my password, not changed it. So this is how you can reset your system's password in just a few minutes. That was today's video. See you in the next video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technicio, and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.